Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the stone white quartz, also known as snow or milky quartz, the stone of inner wisdom. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is available now. If you're interested in checking that out, I'll put a link in the description box below and in the eye above. And I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life for real positive life change. These guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, hearing the supportive benefits of that stone, and deciding if it's one that you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of white quartz, I'll link that in the eye above in case you're interested in this gemstone and you would like to hear some more in-depth detail about how white quartz can support you. If you do have a piece of white snow or milky quartz, then this is a good time to go get that and put it by your meditation space. But you do not need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the questions that I bring up, they feel familiar to you or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some white quartz and work with it some more. The only other thing that we'll need before we start this meditation is a comfortable seat. And that could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a comfortable chair, or on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes during this meditation. So if you have your white quartz or you're ready to picture this in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to how it feels to breathe. To inhale and exhale. As you slowly bring your awareness inside your body. Then bring that awareness to the rest of your physical body and notice if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. And bringing your focus to your heart center and noticing if there are any emotions with you right now. Then drawing that attention to the state of your mind. Is it calm, distracted? And we're not trying to change or fix anything. There's no one right way to be. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your awareness to those parts on your body that touch the cushion, the chair, or the floor beneath you. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over its center. You're perfectly supported by the entire earth. You can access all of its energy. So you will be guided and supported by the earth during this meditation. If you do have a piece of white quartz, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the supportive energies of the gemstone today. If you don't have a piece of this white quartz, then picture a snow white gemstone in your mind. But if you are holding one, take a minute to get to know your piece of white quartz, to hold it in your hand, notice its weight, run your fingers over its surface. Is it smooth or rough? And take some time to get to know your piece of white quartz. Notice if anything has changed in your heart, your body, your mind since you picked up the stone. And imagine a soothing white light that's beginning to glow from the innermost point of your body. And it shines brighter and brighter until it radiates all around you. This is the light of your inner wisdom. And sit with this image of white quartz energy for a minute. White quartz is the stone of inner wisdom. And as you hold or imagine the stone, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you an energy worker or Reiki healer? Would you like to amplify the energy of a spiritual practice or intention? Have you found it difficult to meditate? Are you struggling to connect with or hear your own inner wisdom? Are you trying to figure out life lessons of past events? All of these situations are supported by white quartz. And if one of these scenario stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to you, to your heart and body and mind, and sit with it for another minute or two as you hold or imagine the white quartz. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation since you've been holding the stone. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind since you started this meditation. And release the image of the white quartz energy and the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your regular breathing pattern. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me to meditate with white quartz today. And I hope that you found this useful. And if you feel like white quartz is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of the gemstone when you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works in your life. Knowing which situations in life you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to the channel or you've been watching for a while and you're enjoying learning about a wide variety of gemstones, then do make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.